The wildlife associated with deer encompasses a broad range of species that interact with deer either directly or indirectly in their natural habitats. Here's an overview of the wildlife commonly associated with deer. Predators: many large carnivores prey on deer as a primary food source. This includes apex predators such as wolves, cougars, mountain lions, jaguars, and bears. Smaller predators like coyotes and bobcats also hunt deer, particularly fawns or injured individuals. Scavengers: scavengers play an important role in the ecosystem by consuming carcasses and recycling nutrients. Species like vultures, eagles, ravens, crows, and various species of scavenging mammals such as foxes, raccoons, and possums may feed on deer carrion. Parasites and pathogens: various parasites and pathogens are associated with deer populations. This includes internal parasites like nematodes and external parasites such as ticks, lice, and fleas. Additionally, deer can serve as hosts for diseases like chronic wasting disease, CWD, Lyme disease, transmitted by ticks, and various other viral and bacterial infections. Competition: some wildlife species compete with deer for resources such as food and habitat. For example, rabbits and rodents may compete with deer for forage, while deer may compete with smaller herbivores such as rabbits and ground-dwelling birds for vegetation. Mutualists and symbionts: some species form mutualistic or symbiotic relationships with deer. For example, birds like oxpeckers may feed on ectoparasites like ticks found on deer, providing a cleaning service in return. Additionally, deer may facilitate the dispersal of seeds from various plant species through their consumption and subsequent deposition of seeds in their feces. Species interaction: deer also interact with other wildlife through various behavioral and ecological mechanisms. For instance, deer may alter vegetation structure through browsing and grazing, which can impact the abundance and diversity of plant species. This, in turn, can influence other wildlife species dependent on those plants for food and habitat. Human interactions: humans also play a significant role in deer populations and their associated wildlife. Human activities such as hunting, habitat modification, and vehicle collisions can have profound effects on deer populations and their associated wildlife communities. Overall, the wildlife associated with deer is diverse and includes predators, scavengers, parasites, competitors, mutualists, and other species that interact with deer in various ways. Understanding these interactions is essential for effective wildlife management and conservation efforts aimed at maintaining healthy and balanced ecosystems.